Wednesday, October the 1st, 2025. We didn't know about this place. It's just a smaller truck stop. It's One9. It's nice inside. I think it's going to be sort of quiet out of the way. We might stay here tonight. Well, it is, I don't know what time it is. We thought we might stay here tonight, but it's 7 o'clock. The no-see-ums are, they have gone wild. You don't see them. If it wasn't for the sun, you wouldn't be able to see them. But the sun is reflecting off of their little wings as they fly. They're attacking and biting. I like that vantage point all the way across over there where that Ford truck is. We might go over there and see if the no-see-ums are over there too, but I guess they will be. There's a creek back behind us and a marsh. I suspect that is contributing, but I don't know. You know, down here in South Georgia, love bugs, no-see-ums, yellow flies. I mean, if you don't like bugs, ticks, chiggers, if you don't like all kind of biting bugs, heat and humidity, you just won't probably like the South Georgia. But I hadn't run across this before. One9. It's got all kind of pilot designation inside, so Pilot owns them. But I asked her if it'd be okay if I brought my computer in and work. She said they didn't. Oh, she didn't own, the Pilot doesn't own McDonald's there, but she didn't think it'd be a problem. They've got tables with plugs and everything there, but I don't know. But we'll sit here for a little bit. The no-see-ums are up there on the windshield. We're hungry. I really don't want a McDonald's. A fish wouldn't be bad. We may make a banana sandwich or a pineapple sandwich. We could make a Spam sandwich. We could have Viennas. We've got plenty to eat, but it's not what we want to eat. I don't know if y'all can relate to that or not. I-75 is over to our left. I don't know what road that is. I didn't pay attention to the exit number. We were at a Georgia rest stop and we started to get back on and we saw this. I said, well, let's pull in there. That's an interesting little place. So we'll sit here a little bit and watch the activity. But it's nice and clean in there. They've got the showers. I don't know about a laundry room, but they have showers, the bathrooms. Well, I didn't go in the bathrooms, did I? But they got the normal selection of gadgets and gizmos. I actually bought something. I don't normally do that. It's $7, but it's a little tire gauge, just a little one. Well, you can't see it good. With metal valve caps, plastic valve caps, a valve stem or valve removing tool, and honing, and 4 valves. So, pretty neat. They suckered me, didn't they? 4-way valve tool, 4 replacement valve covers, 4 standard black covers, 4 chrome hex caps. 14-piece set in small tackle box included. Okay, you know, I've needed a small tackle box. That's perfect for my fishing stuff, because I've got it in my regular toolbox and it's a mess back there. Keep thinking I'm going to hook myself. I guess we could have a snack even if we don't stay here. We can have us a crunchy Cheetos snack. I don't know what we'll do. We'll just sit here and enjoy ourselves for right now. One coffee machine was out, but I'm not that crazy about Pilot coffee. I am wanting a coffee. I haven't been drinking coffee at night, but when I get on the road down to these truck stops, I want a coffee. We passed by some good truck stops to stay at. Trying to get a little bit closer to Perry, where we won't have to drive an hour and a half to get to the fair. I crawled under there and beat on my tailpipes, exhaust pipes, beat on the catalytic converters. The catalytic converters don't seem like they're rattling. That rattle seems like it's coming from up here around the motor. I think, and this tailpipe, exhaust pipe on this side is a little bit loose, and it can rattle on the cross member. I gotta make sure I need catalytic converters before I replace them. I may pull in a muffler shop and see if they can check it, make sure it's tight. Maybe replace the packing. That donut gasket up there at the exhaust manifold. Yeah, about the only thing I ever get at McDonald's is either a cheeseburger kids meal or a fish. There's nothing much else I like. Those Sims have left us alone for right now. Yeah, I think we're south of Perry about 20 miles. Not Perry. Yeah, Perry, that's right. I could be wrong, but I don't think there's going to be a whole lot to see here tonight. And this is not a major road, so there's not that much traffic going across here. I don't know that there's that much population right here to draw people up here, especially with just a McDonald's. The Vienna police, or Vienna, whatever it is, I don't know how you pronounce it, Vienna or Vienna. They were here a while ago, so we must be real close to there. I guess I could look at the map and tell you where we are. One, two, three, four people getting off of I-75, and all four of them went to the left instead of coming over this way to the right. Okay, there's a truck coming up. He's got his blinker on. Which way is he coming? He's going to come this way, it looks like. There are a good many trucks here. Seems like it's a good truck stop. Turn the camera so you can see some of the people, what few people are coming. Let me turn it where you can. Well, he didn't even get on. Well, there must be a side entrance over there for the trucks. Okay. Yeah, he just came in on the other side. Okay. Well, camera's trying to get out of the mount. What do y'all want to do? We've got, this is 13 minutes. We could turn it off and climb in the back, take a nap. We may do that. We haven't had a nap today. Well, it looks like that guy's going to get in that Ford truck. I didn't see where he came from. It'd be a good vantage point. You'd be able to see the McDonald's good. Be able to see people coming in. Got that wall behind it over there for security. You'd see crazies, well, we'd see them here too though. Any crazies that come in. Yeah, I think we'll jump back there and take us a nap. What do y'all think? That's not too bad. Got a nice little place back there. Okay, let's turn this off. We'll go ahead and edit it, upload it, take a nap.